So, Ron, you're talking about a KDKA First Alert Weather Day,
Yep.
but really starting at midnight, right?
Yeah, it kicks off right first thing in tomorrow morning. In fact, by this time tomorrow morning, our severe weather threat is going to be wrapping up. The rest of the day on Thursday, it's going to be looking fantastic. Today, our daytime, so starting right now, going through 8:45, I think it's 8:50 actually tonight. We're going to be looking at dry conditions. After that, though, our rain chances will start to tick up. And tomorrow's the day that we have the First Alert Weather Day in place because of those strong storms that are going to be expected, including a risk of tornadoes that will certainly be there. Interesting enough, we normally don't see this type of a setup here locally where we have that solid chance for, or at least a chance for severe weather first thing in the morning. Very rare, especially with the risk of tornadoes. Even though it is low, it is there. Did see some rain and storms rolling through in the overnight hours, and notice what's happening right along that warm front right now as the warmer air starts to lift into parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and into Wisconsin. We're actually seeing over into Iowa right now some severe thunderstorm warnings firing off already. This is going to be the area that we have that severe weather risk as the sun comes up. Instability will start to build, and we're going to really see the bullseye right on top of places like Indiana and Illinois. And even though we're on the edge, the very fringe of this for the overnight hours, as we're waking up tomorrow morning, that is when, at least a little bit before that, probably for most folks, not me, I wake up at 2, but for most folks as you are waking up, most of, if not the entire severe weather risk will be out of here. There will be some rain around into the evening hours. This model, I think it's still a little bit early with the bringing in the rain. It does show at about 2 o'clock that line of storms that will be possible, including that risk of tornadoes that will be there. It's not going to last very long. We're looking at maybe an hour to 2, taking it to get through the region, but we are going to be watching it very closely as that comes through. Besides that, we're going to be looking at, and you can kind of see right there, the rest of the day, once the storms get out of here, we're looking fairly dry for the rest of the day. 80% chance for storms. That's all in the morning hours, though. Maybe just a little light drizzle here or there. Some cooler air works its way in the afternoon. That is it. The sun's now up. It's 56 right now. It's mostly cloudy. Even though we're mostly cloudy right now, we'll see some sunshine today, especially starting at around 8 o'clock going up until about 1 or 2. Then the clouds will start rolling back in. 80, your high temperature today. Let me go into the forecast and just show you what we can expect. By 10 o'clock, 70, 78 at 1, your 4 o'clock temperature there at 80 degrees. In your 7 o'clock temperature, 77. Again, today is going to feel fantastic. Humidity levels are still low, even though we're waiting on those storms to roll through in the overnight hours. Stormy, first thing tomorrow morning, 81 your high. We're back to the 70s for high temperatures both on Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday. I do want to point out we're near 80 degrees on Sunday, and we have now a chance for some afternoon to evening rain and thunderstorms to wrap up early on Monday morning.